morning, doctor. Good morning.
Fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you lah. But my
Okay.
crystal not so much lah, doctor. I also don't know what to do.
What happened to our crystal here?
I don't know lah, doctor. My crystal here coughing only all the time, doctor. I also don't know what to do.
Okay. We wait her first,
Okay.
Okay, hello, Crystal. I'm gonna wait you first, Okay. Wait you first, Crystal. Okay, she's 3.2 kilo.
Okay, doctor, that one.
Yeah, okay, normal only.
Okay, I also so worried lah, doctor.
Okay, now I have to check her temperature first.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
Crystal, can you help her?
Can,
you
doctor.
help me
Can.
hold? Okay. Crystal, I check first. Beep. Okay, 38.5, normal also.
Okay, doctor, that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now I check her heart rate first.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
Okay. Crystal, I check you first. Oh, you cannot hear because she purring so much.
Oh yes, then how lah, doctor?
Okay, I check from the artery on her back leg.
Oh, can lah, doctor, like that?
Can,
Oh, okay.
okay. Okay, it's 154 BPM. It's normal.
Normal lah?
Yeah, normal.
Okay, doctor.
I check her respiratory first.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, it's normal also. It's 24.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask few questions. Crystal.
Oh, Crystal wanna go inside.
Oh yeah, okay. Crystal is sit. Oh yo. Okay. So how long she's been coughing?
Ayo, doctor. For me, 3 days lah, doctor. But my husband says 7 days already because I go out of town. I go back hometown see my grandmother.
Oh,
So yeah, my
okay.
grandmother, my mother, they're staying together. So I go see them lah. But my husband says 7 days already.
Oh, so it's around 3 to 7 days.
Yes,
lah.
doctor.
Okay, so when you see her, how many times she cough a day?
Normally, in the morning, okay, not so bad lah, doctor. But at night, doctor, I tell you, so bad, doctor. I also like got tega, doctor, like that. So bad.
So it gets bad at night.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Did you change her diet? What kind of food do you give to her?
Normally, doctor, since she's small time lah, when I first got her, you know the one look like fish like that, the friskies.
Frisky.
I give that one to her, doctor. Since last time when she's small, that only I give.
Oh, okay. So is it wet food, dry food, or
I mix one
Oh,
lah,
you
doctor, because you
mix.
know lah, this one like princess in the house.
Oh, can see. Okay, so is there anything else you give to her other than friskies?
God lah, doctor. Sometimes when my husband and I eating together, she got asked one lah. Last time she got asked for the food. Like so I give her lah. I mix little bit rice, little bit of the fish. If I eat fish, yeah lah, I give her some fish like that.
Does it have any bones or not?
No lah, doctor. I chew first, then only I put inside for her.
Okay. Does she get enough water?
Normally, right, doctor, the water is there for her all the time. So yeah, she drink one, doctor.
She's accessible to water every day.
Yes, she can drink water.
Okay. So, how many times a day?
I don't know lah, doctor, because the water there only. But when finish, I put some more.
So around how many times do you refill the water?
God, like once a day, confirm I put for her extra. Sometimes twice a day I put water.
But she get new water every day.
New water every day, doctor.
Okay. So, you said that she cough. Okay. So, how does the cough? Is it wet or is it dry?
Normally, I feel like got something inside there, doctor. Like you know, us also when we cough, we feel something. So yeah, I hear like that.
It's okay. When she cough, does something come out like hairball or mucus?
No,
plant?
doctor, not hairball. Like got wet like that sometimes. The color is not, it's not white color.
So is it yellow, green?
It's like yellowish like that lah. But normally don't have. But can hear one got something inside.
So when she coughs, something come out.
Mostly can hear, doctor, but not come out all the time.
Does she wheeze?
God, doctor, God.
Okay. So, other than cough, does she sneeze?
No sneezing, doctor.
Okay.
She don't sneeze.
Okay, that she doesn't. It's only cough
Yes,
lah.
doctor.
Okay. So, is there any other siblings Crystal have at home?
God, Crystal got one brother. I got one Shih Tzu in the house.
Oh.
Small, so cute.
Ayo, nice one.
So cute in the
Oh,
house.
they play along together.
Last time they play all the time, doctor. Now she don't want to play with him
Aiyo.
also. Pity lah, doctor.
Okay. Ayo, Crystal. We find out what happened to you, ah. Okay, other than that, does she play inside often or she play outside often?
Normally she play inside the house, but sometimes she like to go sit, my front gate like that. She like to sit, see all the other, cause got other cats all what, doctor. Yeah, she like to see the other cats there.
Crystal. So do you think all the cats there she see stray cats or home cat?
Oh, I don't know lah, doctor. I see got no tag one, like not my neighbor's one lah. I also don't know whose one. But I think because got one old lady at the market always feed the cat, so I think stray lah. Doctor always kumpul there one. So lah, Crystal so pretty like this.
Yeah, of
Maybe
course.
lah they want to come see one girlfriend like that.
Yeah, Crystal. Okay, so probably it's stray cats.
Yes.
Okay. How old is Crystal now?
Crystal is 3 years old already, doctor.
3 years old already. Is she vaccinated already or not?
God, doctor, she vaccinated
When is
before.
she vaccinated?
Oh, last time before she 1 years old lah, when I take her the first time check up, they say must give that vaccine, the fellow something. Yeah, that one I got give.
Oh, okay. How many times she get vaccine?
Just that one time lah, doctor.
Ayo, one time only
Memang. Not only one time doctor.
Oh, have to be fully taken like that. And then every year have to take booster.
I also don't know lah, doctor.
Ayo.
Can give now doctor. Come, I bring the money. I bring the money today.
Cannot give.
Oh, why cannot, doctor?
Because she's sick now. We have to wait until she get healthy first. And then I book you another appointment so she can come and take her booster shot.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, is there any other symptoms that she have other than coughing?
For now, no lah, doctor. It's just she last time, right? She all the time ask for food. Now she don't ask also. Sometimes like yesterday and today, I must feed her with my hand lah, doctor. I must make the wet food. I must mix with the dry food, boil and feed her like that.
Oh, okay. So sometimes she have to be hand fed.
Yes, doctor. Like now only last 2 days only.
Okay lah. Ayo, poor Crystal lah. So is there anything else?
No lah, doctor. Not for now. I see like her pee okay only lah, doctor.
Okay. How's the poop? Is normal?
Normally, right, doctor, she got her own box,
little box.
That box.
Yes.
So always, right, she pee inside. A very good girl, she lah, doctor. Very good girl, my Crystal.
But is the poop and the pee normal? She peeing and pooping normal?
Oh
as
yeah,
usual?
normal. 2 times one day I clean the box. 2 times one day she poop and pee.
Oh, so the poop and pee are normal.
Yes.
Okay, so like is there any changes in the color?
No lah, like normal poop lah, doctor.
Okay, normal only.
Like that one.
Normal. Okay.
Color also normal, but pee I cannot see lah, doctor. Because
lah.
pasir, right? But I see like never change lah. Got no red color, nothing. Normal
nothing
only.
is changed.
Normal.
Okay, Crystal. So like,
How, doctor?
okay, now I have to take her for further checkup.
But what's the problem, doctor?
For now, probably she maybe got some respiratory infection.
Yes, doctor.
But I don't want to worry you. We have to take her for further checkup first, and then we can come up with conclusion. But since she doesn't have any other symptoms, so maybe it's just be a normal cough only lah. But we have to test her more lah.
Okay, doctor, please doctor, do something. I really tak tega, doctor.
Okay, we will take care of Crystal. We will check her first, okay
Okay, thank you, doctor. You be good, Crystal.
Okay, so bye-bye first.
Okay, bye. I see you later, okay?
Okay.
I wait outside, doctor.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you. Very cold inside here, doctor. I go outside. Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
I see you, Crystal.
Okay, bye.